Hello everyone, my name is Payal Shivshankar Patil. Today's date is 22 August 2024 and my topic name is History in Java. Today I will be taking you on a journey through the fascinating history of one of the most influential programming language is the world Java. In the landscape of software development, Java has curved out for itself that space across industries, from web application to enterprise system, mobile development and beyond. But did Java achieve this, and why does it remain relevant? Almost three decades after its inception, let's dive into the story behind Java, a language that promised to revolutionize the way we think about programming. Origin of Java, the story of Java begins in the early 90s, a time when the digital world was on the brink of an explosion, and the need for a new kind of programming language was becoming evident. Back then, Sun Microsystem was a key player in the tech industry, and a team led by James Gosling was tasked with developing a platform independent language that could be operate across various environments, from television to mobile devices. This ambitious project was initially named Oak, after the oak tree that stood outside James Gosling office. However, the name was later changed to Java, inspired by a type of coffee, which fittingly reflected the developers' passion for the project. Java's release and early adoption in 1995. Java was officially released to the public as Java 1.1 from the start. Java stood out for its write once and run anywhere capability, that is Aura concept, which was made possible by the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. JVM allowed Java code to be executed on any devices or operating system that had a compatible JVM installed. This was a revolutionary concept at the time, addressing the issue of the portability and compatibility that other programming languages. The mid 90s was also a time when the internet was starting to gain mainstream attention. Java quickly became the language of choice for building web applets, which were small, that could run within a web browser. This use case boosted Java's popularity, as it enabled dynamic and interactive web pages. At a time when the internet was largely static, key features and technical evolution, one of the Java standout feature is its strong foundation in object-oriented programming, that is OOPS. This paradigm allows developers to create modular, reusable code, making software's development more efficient and scalable. Java syntax is often parized for being cleaner and more accessible than C++, making it a favorite among programmers, especially those new to the field. The Java Virtual Machine not only provided platform independence but also incorporated various security features, making it a robust choice. For networked environments, Java's early versions focused on security, ensuring that applets could run is in a secure sandboxed environment without compromising the host system. As Java matured, it saw a significant improvements in performance, particularly with the Introduction. The just-in-time JIT compiler allowed Java bytecode to be compiled into the native machine code at a runtime. That's all about the history in Java. Thank you so much.